Welcome back to the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group, man. And today, man, we got another video, man. We back in the lab. See where we at in my little home shop slash garage. You know, this is my home garage. But yeah, man. So today, man, I'm about to take a look at the E36. I've been driving it a lot lately, and the other day I drove it, and it started driving funny. Like the engine was under power. So I'm gonna go scan it and see what codes I got on it. I kind of feel like I know what's going on with it, but I haven't scanned it yet. So I'm prepped for what I think it is, and if it's not, then I'll just have to order some different parts, you know. But let me go scan it. I'm gonna take y'all with me, and we're gonna see what codes we got. All right, guys. So first thing you need when working on like these older BMWs, like this car, these cars, you gotta have an adapter for the to scan the computers and stuff. So I got like, I mean, I'm a technician, so I got like the scanners already. Like you need this 20 pin, adapter, and it plugs into your OBD scanner right here. But mine is Bluetooth, so it doesn't. I don't have to worry about physically having a cord to plug it into. So I'm about to pop the hood, because the OBD connector is underneath the hood. There's one underneath the dashboard, but that's only a 16 pin. The one underneath the hood, you can access all the modules and stuff like that. You can still access your transmission and engine codes, but like ABS and all the other stuff, you have to go through the one underneath the hood. So what I'm gonna do is pop my hood. Alright, this should be your pin right here. 20 pin. So I have this adapter here. I gotta turn on my ignition. I already got power going to it, but I'm gonna turn the ignition on so the scanner can start communicating with it. Alright, you just wanna turn on the power on to your ignition, second click. I got an Autel scanner, so let me power it up. Takes a little while to load up. Alright. European. BMW. It's a good idea to invest in like this type of equipment. It could save you some money when like trying to figure out what's going on with your car, so you don't have to like take it to a mechanic. Here's this established in connection. Normally when you see the battery voltage, that means it's reading. So it says turn off ignition for 10 seconds. So
20. I'm gonna do an auto scan. So it reads everything. It's reading pretty fast with the under the hood connector. Yeah, today is hot, man. It gotta be like 100 degrees. But it just been like raining, then it'll stop, rain, and then it stops. So hopefully I can get through this video and show y'all what's going on with my my BMW. You can see it got like, has 4 codes in it. And the DME, which is like your engine computer. So hopefully it is what I think it is. It was running kind of rough. It kind of felt like a misfire. So we're gonna scan it and see what codes we get. And hopefully I can get it back on the road and back moving and grooving. So that's what we about to do. Alright, so now we're gonna go into the engine computer. Let's talk, man. Read. So I got a misfire on cylinder 5, cylinder 5, cylinder 6, cylinder 6. So that's what I thought it was. I thought I did have a misfire. So I bought coils and spark plugs because I don't think I've ever replaced them on this car before. So that's what we're gonna get into, man. We're gonna go ahead and replace the coils and spark plugs. I'm just gonna do all six plugs, all 6 coils, just so the system just be refreshed, you know. It's a good tune-up item to do. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so I already took off those caps. Kinda hard to record with just some caps that go right here. I took off these caps. Since I got a misfire code, I'm gonna shit, that down for tight. Ooh, it snapped. Yeah, so I'm just gonna. Normally has 2 tins, but it looks like this one is missing one. Let's take off the gas cap, the oil cap. Pop that up. Pop the cap back on. Yeah, so these are my the ignition coils for the spark plugs. So this is the front of the engine, so I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm guessing. But I'm gonna replace all of them, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out. And once I get them all out, I'll show you guys how the condition of the spark plugs. And if the coil has oil on it. Sometimes if a coil have oil on it, it will cause a misfire. And like this gasket does look like it's leaking a little bit. So I know I'm gonna have to do my valve cover gasket soon. So I just pulled out the ignition coil number 6, and just looking at it, it's so wet. Look like it's water inside here, not actual oil. So maybe it's leaking out. Probably got water inside my cylinder from these from this little sprayer nozzles from my sprayer nozzles from my washer pump. So this coils might be good, it's just wet, but it smells like water. It doesn't seem like it's oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace all the coils, the spark plugs, and I'll leave these out and let them dry out. And I'll probably try them in another motor or another car to see if they're still good. But yeah,
I guess I did that to myself on leaving this. I didn't install my washer nozzles in my hood after I got it replaced, and after I got it painted, I didn't reinstall them. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the rest of the plugs and spark plugs so we can see the condition they are. Since I already have them, I am gonna replace them. In fact, I don't think I shown you guys what kind of plugs I got. So I just ordered everything off of Amazon because it was next day shipping. But I got some NGK, what is this called? Laser Platinums. 6 of those. And I also got, I haven't even opened these yet. Hopefully the right ones. We got 6 coils. Let me kind of match them up with the older ones. So they look a little bit different than the old ones, the original ones. Let's just see if they work. About the same size. I'm not sure if these are original ones, but oh, there you go. It might be original. This is 08 12 98. So they might be the original spark plugs that came with it. So that's what I'm about to do, man. I'm about to go ahead and knock this out. I'll show you the before and after, the new ones and old ones, after I finish this. So see you in a little bit. Yeah, so it looked like it just got some water inside that thing. So as soon as I pulled this out, water came right out of it. So look at my gloves. So maybe these plugs and spark plugs are still good. I'm just gonna replace them. I don't know, this is a single igniter on this. This one had, the new ones have 4 on them. I was looking at it earlier. These new ones have 4 prongs on it. I'm not sure if these are better or not. So I'm gonna install them and see if they're a good buy or not. Hopefully they don't cause misfires. Alright, so we got 1 down and 5 more to go. New plugs, new coils. And it looks like it's been water leaking in from my hood. Been water getting into the cylinder, causing it to misfire. So I'm gonna try to put new plugs and then clear it and start it again. Hopefully get better results. I got spark plugs installed and ignition coils installed. So I got all 6 replaced, and I got all 6 spark plugs replaced. I mean, it did look like there were time for them to be replaced, but sealed off, it wouldn't have got any water in there. So I'm definitely gonna order those sprayer nozzles, even though I don't have my wiper system connect, the windshield washer system connected. I have to go buy the hoses and the nozzles. I already bought a reservoir with the pump. I just have to, that'll be my next step. I go order them today, so I won't have this issue again. So I'm gonna put the covers back on and then I'm gonna start it up. Let's just see if it fixed the problem. Hopefully the car idles and it's drivable now, because before it was down 2 cylinders. So I'll turn this back on a little bit. All right, guys. So we got everything back, the cover back on. We're gonna connect back the OBD port. So we got light, there. Okay. So yeah, it don't really take much time to do spark plugs on these 6 cylinders. That's probably why I like them. These straight 6s. Probably why I like them a lot.
So I cleared the codes once I turned it on. I mean, once I was scanning it, I cleared all the misfire codes. So I'm gonna start it now to see how it runs. Check engine light is gone. Sound good. Just make sure those check engine lights. Make sure those codes didn't come back. Scanning. Running through it now. Yeah, it sounds good. Normally it was breaking up because all that water was in the cylinder. Struggling, or I feel like it missed a step, you know. So it sounds good. Sounds good, and none of the codes returned. So if you like this video, man, give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm a car guy. There will be some repair videos, and it will be like car show videos. I'm just a car guy all around. So it might be a diagnostic video, auto repair video, or just a car review, you know. Yeah, man, make sure you follow my car club on Instagram at Badman Wagon Car Club, you know. So follow me on Instagram on that too. I really haven't been uploading a lot of pictures and stuff, but yeah, whenever me and my family get together, man, we always take pictures and stuff and like ride out and stuff. So I like to put all that stuff on that Instagram, and yeah, man. All right, guys, I'm out riding the E36 after the tune-up. Driving pretty good. No check engine light. I got an ABS light on. I think it's one of my sensors are bad. Oh yeah, the new spark plugs. Motherfucker taking off. She back, man. It's crazy, man. I put this whole car together with my two hands, you know what I mean? Besides the body work. Did all that work myself, man. You know what I mean? Anyways, man, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.